This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RWTowne Realty property video is presented by ljones. Do not miss out on this gorgeous brick ranch on an almost half-acres lot in Churchand/Green Acres. An open floor plan in this huge backyard have endless possibilities for entertaining. Centrally located and has no HOA/POA. Recently updated roof and water heater and solar system. The buyer must be willing and able to take over the PPA agreement and payments for the solar system. Schedule your appointment now and make this house your future home. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Jones at 210-347-6162.